Hello everybody, this is Bhupinder Tube. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you some editing shortcuts that you can use in Premiere Pro. So I got this long clip, I want to edit it. What are the easy ways? So for example, if I press C, the razor appears, so you can just click and cut. If I press Ctrl Z, I can undo that. If I press V, I can just go to normal and select. So if I cut two sections like this and then press V, select it, and then press Shift and Enter together, I delete that section. Another easy way to do that is by pressing the I, then Shift and forward to the location you want, just using the keyboard, then pressing O, and then pressing this special key sign, I would say dot or apostrophe, and just removes it. If you don't want to delete that section, you need to press double dot like that. Or if you would like to cut wherever your timeline is, you have to press Ctrl K. Shift forward moves 5 frames forward, and then Ctrl K again. In that way you can cut wherever your timeline is. Remember, Shift forward moves 5 frames, forward alone just moves 1 frame. These were the shortcut keys that I use regularly, and I hope you find it also useful. If you do, please don't forget to watch my other videos that you can now see on the screen. And also, if you have any questions or comments, please put in the comments below, and I will be glad to be able to answer them. Thanks for watching. See you later.